From now on, I will only eat chicken this way. Not only is it super easy to make, it tastes delicious. To 700 grams of shredded chicken, add 1 teaspoon of mild paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and a drizzle of oil. Mix well. If you already like our recipe, share this video with your friends. It would mean the world to us, and we'd really appreciate it. From now on, I will use my hands to mix it so that the spices can blend well. Set the chicken aside, and let's start with the next step. In a blender, add 280 grams of green corn, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, 200 grams of double cream, and salt to taste. Blend well. Before I forget, let me know in the comments which city you are from so that I can send you a special hug. Once the mix is ready, pour it over the chicken. Then add grated Parmesan cheese to taste. If you don't like it, don't worry, just skip this step. Finally, put everything in the oven, preheated at 350 degrees for 60 minutes. And our chicken is ready. Look how amazing and mouth-watering it is. You guys, try this recipe at home and let me know your thoughts here in the comments. Now I will have to look at the comments and thank everyone who told us the city they're watching us from. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.